Morning guys, today we are going to the Minissy Waterfalls, which is located close to Walking Hospital, and the weather seems to be okay. It's just a little bit cloudy today, but that's fine. And so we left our car close to the runabout here, and we are walking down the unsafe roads until we reach the waterfalls. And this is one of the hidden gems in Mauritius, so guys, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. Or we'll be able to drive the car all the way to Yaman.
There's a bump there. So reaching here, we are turning on the left side. Can you hear something?
Yeah, waterfall.
Yes.
Keep going straight. But keep going straight.
Minissy Waterfall hiking trail is easy to follow and starts at the PWC roundabout. Take the path between the sugarcane fields and walk straight ahead until you reach an intersection. You might also notice a rock painted in red. Turn left and continue along the trail. Turn right at the next intersection, and after a while you will reach a viewpoint overlooking a river and Bagatelle Dam in the distance. From there, take the left and keep walking until you find a narrow path on your right. Walk all the way down until you reach an intersection and then turn right. You'll know that you're in the right direction when you start hearing the waterfall. You'll also get a view of the waterfall immediately after turning right. Be extremely careful when going down, as the last section of the trail is sometimes muddy and slippery. Minissy Waterfall is a stunning natural wonder located in the heart of Mauritius, offering visitors a peaceful retreat surrounded by lush greenery and serene landscape. This amazing hiking area is perfect for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and immerse themselves in the beauty of nature. As you venture along the well-marked trails, you'll be captivated by the vibrant flora and fauna that thrive in this idyllic setting.
What's that?
The sound of water cascading down the walk creates a soothing soundtrack, making it an ideal spot for relaxation or a picnic with family and friends. The hike to the waterfall itself is moderately challenging, making it accessible for both seasoned hikers and casual walkers. Along the way, you can enjoy breathtaking views of the surrounding hills and valleys, providing numerous opportunities for photography. Once you arrive at the waterfall, you'll be greeted by its amazing beauty, with crystal clear waters tumbling over rocky cliffs into a tranquil pool below. This natural oasis is perfect for a refreshing dip on a warm day, or simply to sit back and enjoy the serenity. For those keen on exploring more, the area around the waterfall is rich in biodiversity, offering a chance to spot unique bird species and various plants endemic to Mauritius. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or simply looking for a peaceful getaway, Minissy Waterfall is a must-visit destination that showcases the amazing beauty of Mauritius Island. So guys, we had a lovely time at Minissy Waterfall. The only thing, we forgot our swimsuit that day, so it's gonna be for next time in the water. And it's about half an hour walk return, and it's not very hard, but it's not wheelchair friendly though.
Alright, we did it.
So it was like a good 15-20 minutes from the car from here.
Yeah, I would say 15-20 minutes, yeah.
It depends
On how you walk.
Yeah. So now we are heading to Chamarel 7 Colored Earth and Waterfall. We have around 52 turns before reaching there. And we have amazing views, guys. We have views on Minissy Island, all the west coast. We can see it from the top and it's beautiful. Merci. Bonjour. Merci. Merci. So guys, if you're coming to Chamarel and you're a Mauritian resident, it's 350 rupees per person. So you can visit the Chamarel Waterfall and the 7 Colored Earth. Yeah. Our first stop will be the Chamarel Waterfall. So it is a separate site located near the 7 Colored Earth, also in the Chamarel area of Mauritius. The waterfall is a consequence of the volcanic history of the island and its specific topography, which has created a high, slender cascade over 300 feet high. The waterfall history is intertwined with that of the island, as both are products of the ancient volcanic activity that formed Mauritius. Both the 7 Colored Earth and the Chamarel Waterfall are considered some of the miracles and natural wonders of Mauritius, highlighting the rich geological history and natural beauty. Attention was first drawn to the existence of colored earth in Chamarel by a member of the Royal Society of Arts and Sciences of Mauritius as its 26 November 1879 session. The historical village in the southwestern uplands of Mauritius is named after Toussaint and Charles de Chazal de Chamarel, the sons of François de Chazal de la Geneste. Once a member of the Superior Council of the island, who were granted a 625 appartment concession in the region in 1786. Chamarel Seven-Colored Earth is accessible by road, located about 45 minutes from the popular town of Flic-en-Flac. Tickets can be purchased at the entrance, and there are often combined tickets available that include entry to other nearby attractions, such as the Chamarel Waterfall. As a protected site, Chamarel Seven-Colored Earth is a prime example of sustainable tourism. Efforts are continually made to preserve its natural beauty and integrity. Visitors are encouraged to stay on marked paths and follow all the guidelines to help maintain the site's unique landscape for future generations. The park is open daily from 8:30 to 5:30 p.m. It's around 350 rupees for adults and 175 rupees for children. The best viewing times are early morning or late afternoon for the most vivid display of colors. Facilities include a cafe, gift shop, restroom, and ample parking. Thank you for watching, guys. We hope that you like our video. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye.